Okay, this is a flip that we started on in the summertime. We got both of these houses, put them on the market. If you saw the last video, we just walked through that one, showed you the work that was done. This one also, wow, I wish you guys could have saw the before and after. This is beautiful. We put a double door here. We put pavers going up the walkway. We did a new porch, new garage door. The window that was there was, it wasn't a bay window, it was a single window on the first floor. We opened it up, we did the French look. We did the same thing to the second floor where we did the French look for the front. We only did that in the front so the garage and everything were matching and bring some appeal to the front. We paved both driveways. We put grass in the front, artificial grass. I want to go through the back door. We actually get the opportunity to check out the backyard. We put these walking stones here so they won't get their feet muddy when they go into the property. We didn't do anything to the backyard, but we just did a really nice cleanup job here because there were a lot of roots and grass all over the place. So we just cleaned everything up. So, and we built the deck in the back. We rebuilt this. This was actually falling apart. And we painted the house. We sanded it down and painted. So let's do a quick walkthrough. We're gonna go to the back of the house, come into the kitchen. So we'll see what that looks like. Let's get the right key in there. Same style look. Marble countertops, white cabinets, appliances. Did a nice backsplash over here. This is really nice. I'm loving this sink too, by the way. Very nice. Nice refrigerator. Let's take a look down the basement. This one property is a little bit bigger than the property next door. Here we have the basement, partially finished, appliances, and pop the new door in here too. It's a gas meter. But we have down here a laundry room, and the buyer was wondering how is this going to work because it's not long enough. This is for a stack unit. So they'll work that out. But we also have a half a bathroom here also. Pretty much the same theme as next door. Find a light. This is pretty nice. Same thing. Just clean them up nice. Nice towel. Finished it up. And this one actually has a room here in the back. An extra room for storage or whatever they want to do. Take a look at the second floor. This pretty much has the same layout as the unit next door, but this property, I'll show you, it's a little bit more contemporary. The moldings are different. The one next door just had the square moldings. This one we were able to save the original hardwood floors, sand them down and clean them up. So this actually came out nice. This is the entrance. Nice fireplace here. So yeah, we kept the old stairs. So this one has the 3-room effect. When you walk in, you have the front room, dining room, then another room behind. Instead of the sun porch, they have the nook on this side. And there's actually a bathroom on this floor also. There's actually 3 bathrooms in this house, 2 half baths and 1 full bath. So this is the half bath. We did this really nice. This one I like is really cool. You turn on the faucet and it lights up. It's awesome. I love that. But we put the ceramic halfway around the wall, all the way around. You know, it's a little bit narrow, but we wanted to give it some appeal, so we were able to do some nice tile work in there. Make it pop a little bit. Let's take a quick look upstairs. All right, up here we have 3 bedrooms. Same as the other. The thing was to create space, so we eliminated the knee wall here, expanded the room, did new wood floors, increased the size of the ceiling. This is a smaller closet in this unit. We didn't expand it all the way to the wall. We kept the original closet and the original doors we were able to keep because they had a lot of character, so we didn't have to pop any new doors in here. All of the original doors we were able to keep. However, what we did do is we put the retro style key locks there which is pretty cool. This bathroom has a different setup. We still went with the double sink. We used a subway tile here in this bathroom. A little different tile setup. And same sink fixtures next door, same countertop. And we did the 2 lights up top. So this is the master bedroom over here on this side. Master bedroom. And closet to the master bedroom. So this is the additional room here with the closet on this side. We also have some access panel up here because this unit has 2 HVACs. It's zoned for the first floor and second floor, which is pretty cool. So they get to be cool up here, hot downstairs, or vice versa. And this one I like. This actually has a linen closet in the hallway. There actually used to be stairs going to the attic, but we eliminated that to put the HVAC unit there and to create a closet on that side and to make a linen closet. So they have space to put the towels and stuff. Which the other one, we just put a little closet behind the door. I wasn't able to show it to you for that, but this came out pretty nice. I'm really excited about getting these properties sold. This one that we're in should be closing at the end of this month. So that's pretty cool. And the next one should be closing a couple of weeks after that. So we're pretty excited about that. We're working on a project now in Montclair. I'll keep you guys posted with the results and take you over there to show you from start to finish what we're doing. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys at the next property.